Another issue when you're seeking therapy, particularly sex therapy, because it's such a sensitive area, is how much of what I say is confidential? Would you share everything with my spouse or my boyfriend or girlfriend, or would you keep something to yourself that if I ask you to? And my answer is always, I respect confidentiality. My client is each individual, not the couple. Now, most marriage counselors don't see it that way. They see the couple as the lowest common denominator, and they would see it as keeping secrets rather than being confidential. So I believe confidentiality is very important. I want people to be open with me. If they had an affair 10 years ago, why would they bring that up now? It's destructive. I mean, even Ann Landers, when she was alive, said, don't reveal a fling or whatever because it's destructive. Keep it to yourself. I mean, people reveal these things to try to relieve themselves of guilt, but at what cost? It's destructive to their relationship. We don't live in a monogamous society. We pretend to. And I acknowledge that. I work with couples who have open marriages. I wrote the foreword to the re-release of the classic book, Open Marriage. I work with polyamorous couples. I work with polyamorous individuals. And I work with swingers. I don't just work with monogamous couples. And so I try to help people find what is going to be best for them at that point in their marriage. And sometimes the criteria for a marriage can change over time. And they could open up a marriage or they could decide to be monogamous again. I don't think it should all be set in concrete. So I'm a little more imaginative, open-minded, and creative about that, I think, than most sex therapists and marriage counselors.